Hello again guys, welcome to a new video, and this afternoon is gonna do a two-in-one quick routine, another way how to do chin-ups. And I'm gonna say good morning Philippines and good afternoon Canada. Okay, let's start cracking. Okay, one set and relax about 10-20 seconds, and then gonna roll again for another chin up routine. Yeah, today's a quick one only, guys. It was I was at gym yesterday at the other location, and then I'm back here at Good Life Fitness Center, and same thing as yesterday. It was busy. I was at the Full Force Fitness, but so I decided not to do some video today. So today I decided about the quick one, two-in-one. Okay, continue. Yeah, relax again, and probably we can do one more sit and then we call it a day. And outside it's a bit windy again and a bit cloudy, so I don't know if it's gonna be rain or snow, guys. Okay. Holy, yeah, one more, and then probably I call it a day. So relax again, a quick one for you guys. That's why you get up to date and try to catch up back to my gym routine workout, because the past couple weeks it was so massive, super busy at work, guys. And now another one, and then yep, holy smoke, guys. Yeah, that's a two-in-one quick routine for you. And then probably we call it a day. Thank you for watching, guys. I see you next time. Peace out.